Insta360 just launched the Go Ultra, and we're putting it to the test with some real-world usage. Now, most people who buy an action camera don't necessarily use it for diving out of planes or doing crazy stunts midair. They actually use it for real-world situations. In this video, we're testing it out exactly for that. Real-world use of an action camera in situations you would find yourself in. Now, I'll be honest, I handed off this camera to Wei Xiang in our team. He shoots majority of our videos here as well. Here, we're shooting in pretty low light situations, which was perfect to test out the low light capabilities on the Insta360 Go Ultra. It comes with a 1/1.28-inch sensor, which gives 200% more light intake compared to the previous Go 3S. This ensures clarity and details even in low light. But how do the shots actually look? Here we were testing out the wider field of view, the magnetic mount, and also the phone app. So this was all remote. I had no idea what I was recording. I was just playing my game of pickleball. As far as the low light goes, considering how dark it was there, I think it did pretty decent maintaining the highlights and the shadows. You can see a little bit of noise in the dark, but that's pretty expected. But that can easily be fixed by adding a little bit of contrast. You can also enable something called jitter remover for low light situations, which adds in a little bit of that ghosting effect removal as well. During this time, I also tested out the cap mounting, so you can use a hat where you can attach it onto using a magnet or to your neck for a neck strap. Pretty cool how you can attach it in whatever way you wish. The next challenge was the car shot, which is really cool because of that magnetic mount or mounting options. You can attach it in pretty much any way you want to get different angles. You also get to see the flow state stabilization to see how well it does with those car bumps or bike bumps while giving you a really smooth 4K HDR video and the 360 horizon lock, meaning whichever way you're turning, whether left, right, up, down, it always stays level. Lastly, of course, with an action camera, you gotta try out the underwater capabilities. It's got a 10-meter waterproof build and design with maximum clarity and 4K 60 FPS. With this, you'll be able to take some super crispy slow motion underwater shots. Now, of course, throughout all of these situations, we tried out the fast charging and also the remote control, which is very handy when you're filming by yourself and you run out of battery on a pitch. To top it off, Wei Xiang even used the AI-based power editing to create super quick, on the go, without having to rely on any editing knowledge. You just want to share quick life stories and moments without having to worry about picking the right music, cutting at the right times. It pretty much does all of it for you based on the action and whatever is being filmed.
Alright, so what are the accessories you get with the bundle for the Go Ultra? First up, we have all these accessories that we kind of use throughout the video, starting with the pivot stand. This one right here, I think, is the most useful one, especially if you're on those creative shots while utilizing that magnet at the back. If I've got the cover on, boom, I've got it attached. And if I don't have the cover on, I can actually just attach it right away at the back like this, and then obviously adjust the position. This is pretty useful. Next, of course, we have the hat mount. This is the one Wei Xiang put onto my cap when we were filming. Super useful. You can clip it on pretty much to most things. I think it is used for the hat mainly, but this could be utilized with pretty much everything. If you have a table, if you have a tablecloth, you know, the front windshield of your car, you can just snap it in there. Very, very comfortable to use, and it just quickly magnetically attaches to the back. And I think that's the main part. The magnetic attachment part is the best about this. Next up, we've got this lanyard style thing. Again, this is magnetic. This goes on the inside of your shirt, for example, and then just snaps on just like that. So if I were to put this inside my shirt, this on top, I've got a POV angle without actually seeing this, while this is magnetic strong enough to attach and just do my things. There's also these sticky tabs, which from what I know, attaches to pretty much anything. It might be a single or a two-time use thing. There's a bunch of them inside. Actually, how many are there? A lot. So you can attach these to pretty much any surface, and then and now you've got more access to more places that aren't just magnetic, but I can still stick it onto like something like my forehead.
If you guys want to check it out, the product is tagged on this video for the best deal you can get on it. Definitely worth considering if you're looking for an action camera. Thank you guys for watching. See you again in the next video. Until then, take care.